Tucked away on the eastern side of the Isle of Portland, in the heart of Dorset's Jurassic Coast, lies a hidden gem. Church Ope Cove. It's a place where history, mystery, and nature all collide. The isolated beach may seem quiet today, but it's seen centuries of drama and change. Once a soft, sandy shore, it's now blanketed in smooth pebbles. Worn from centuries of quarrying that have shaped the island and its industry. A small stream still winds its way across the stones, one of the very few in Portland that still runs free. I will say it is a pain in the arse and go back and forth, putting the camera down to get the shot, go back past, and then go back and pick it up again. Okay, so I found quite a nice spot here just to set the drone up and get up in the air. The fog is going out a little bit, so hopefully I'm still able to get some footage. I do like to try and keep myself out of the way as well. And luckily there's not actually too many people around today. I think the fog has played a crucial part in that. And then again, that's also going to limit what sort of footage I'm going to get. So I've got 3 fully charged batteries with me today. I highly doubt I'm going to need probably more than one, maybe 1.5 in all honesty. That'd be nice if the drone would turn itself on. There we go. But Church Ope Cove is far more than just a pretty spot. Legend has it that in 789 AD, this very shoreline was the site of the first recorded Viking raid on the British Isles. Imagine the chaos as longships appeared on the horizon, forever changing history. At the moment I'm just doing a little nice panning shot across the bay. Perched above the cove, the ruins of Rufus Castle still stand watch. A Norman fortress with roots stretching back to the 12th century, though most of what you can see now dates back to the 15th century. So that was a very quick flight. It is so foggy, it's very hard to actually see anything, especially when you get a bit up in the sky as well. It seems like it's like a blanket of fog. It was a blanket of fog at the height you want to be flying at, which is a real shame because I have seen some drone footage from here before and it's absolutely stunning. Especially when you can get all cliff face and stuff into it. But it is what it is in a day, I suppose. Remember last time I came here, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, and we interrupted a first date in one of these little huts behind me.
Perched above the cove, the ruins of Rufus Castle still stand watch. A Norman fortress with roots stretching back to the 13th century, though most of what you see now dates back to the 15th. Just beyond it lie the haunting remains of St Andrew's Church, Portland's very first parish church, founded, believe it or not, by the Saxons. And that's not all. Between 1797 and 1800, John Penn, the governor of Portland and grandson of William Penn, the founder of Pennsylvania, built a lavish Gothic-style mansion, Pennsylvania Castle, just above the beach. He even had his own private bath built down below, but when the locals demanded rent for using common land, he refused to pay. The bath was abandoned. Its remains are still hidden among the undergrowth today. But not all of Church Ope's secrets are so polite. This beach was once a hotspot for smugglers, sneaking goods through the cove under the cover of night. And even into the 20th century, fishing boats still launched from here, leaving behind old hand winches and equipment that still rust quietly among the stones. A silent reminder of a hard-working past.
I will say though, there is lots of paths around here, so if you do want to go for a little walk, I highly recommend it. Especially when it's not so foggy, because I can guarantee you, these views can be stunning. Now it's a really fun part of actually climbing all the way back up to the top again.